how to flip text in Canva. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can flip text in Canva in any of your graphics, in any of your presentations, basically in any type of text. You guys can simply switch up text and you guys can flip it anyhow you please. So from over here on the left side, I will just simply drag and drop some text over here, and then once we have this text, now we can basically modify anything that we want about this particular text. Up top you guys can see all the different options you have, and of course you guys can move it around however you please. Now from over here, click on the top right on position, and now you basically have the option to basically flip it if you want to. You guys can also align it to the right, to the left, to the middle, to the center, and you guys can also do many different stuff to it. And then now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply open up the snipping tool on your Windows or Mac, and then simply take a fresh snip from over here of the text, then copy it, and then from over here delete the text that you had previously imported, and then just simply paste that image by pressing Ctrl V or Command V depending upon if you are on a Windows or a Mac. And then after that, click on the top left on flip, and then now you have the option to flip horizontally or to flip vertically. You guys have both of these options and you guys can flip it however you please. So guys, that is the fastest way through which you guys can flip text on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.